again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah, do it again. Do it again, fine. Better. Gotta get. I like gay people. What? Throwing a rock down there?
Hey, that looks big. We need to get down there now.
What?
Done.
Gang, don't go down there. Climb! What'd you get? Rubber. Biggest fucking rock you could get, right? Damn! Amazing. Great job.
Yes.
Meow, 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 meow.
Right.
Love you, Cookie. Ding, ding.
I can climb this tree right here.
Can you?
It's a very climbable tree right here.
You're a climbable tree. You're so good at climbing trees. Good job! I can climb that tree. Can't even. You want to see me climb the tree?
That's beautiful. What? That's beautiful. Hi. Okay.
You gonna climb it? Yeah, you can do it. I don't know. It kind of looks a little hard to climb.
I don't give a shit.
Oh my God, he's climbing it! He's climbing it! Go higher. You're doing great, Omega. My bad, original gangster. Wow, he actually did it! That's why you're gay. I'm leaving you behind now. You counted? Oh, you did it. You already did it. Did you get a hold of my brand new gloves? That was $15 and I actually don't give a shit about? Now. Cinema! I would fall. Love you, Piggy. 10.